Hello and welcome. In this short tutorial I will show you how to take photos like this or this. All you need are two 360 cameras and two sticks. I have here the Insta360 One X2 and the original Insta360 One, but it works with every camera, 360 camera. You need to hold both sticks like that. You can have it both hands or in one, with a close distance between the camera, and then take the photo with the camera close to you. Otherwise, it would be blocking the view to you. I would say the best way is the background of the camera is not too dark, so you can clearly see it. I will try to hold it against the sky. I will use voice command. That's really great for that. You can also use the selfie timer if you have no voice command. So, take a photo. Second try. Yep, that's all on this side. Next step, a little bit editing. Now you need to connect your camera to your phone and download the 360 photo. Here's the photo in my Explorer and I will open it in ReShoot 360. I choose ReShoot 360 because it's available for Android or iOS and give you the best quality. Select photo one by one, editor, and now you can use your finger to adjust the viewpoint that you like. That's the result that I want to have. If I move it this way, the camera will be a little bit bigger. Press the button above on the right side and download it. That's the result. Thanks to PureShot, it looks already very good. You can use other editors like Snapseed to improve it even more. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and if I should do more tutorials like that, let me know. Bye!